Welcome to BotSailor. Today in this video, we will show you how to send order notifications to your WooCommerce customer's WhatsApp from BotSailor. We need to complete these steps to send a WhatsApp message to a WooCommerce customer. First, we have to create a message template that we want to send to WooCommerce customers. Then, we have to create a new Webhook workflow and add the webhook to our WooCommerce store. After that, we have to map data. After we complete these processes, we will be able to send messages to customers' WhatsApp when they complete an order on WooCommerce. Let's go to the BotSailor to create the message template. From the Bot Manager, go to Message Template. Before creating the message template, we will create 3 variables. Click on the Create button under Variable. The first variable we will create is a product list. Then we will create the total price and estimated delivery date variables. Let's refresh this page, and then click on the Create button under Message Template. Give a name to the template. Then write the message body. We will use those variables in the message body. Click on the variables to see the list of variables, and select variables from the list. Finally, click on the Save button. Click on the Check Status button to check the status. Yes, it's approved by WhatsApp. Now, go to Webhook Workflow and click on the Create button. Give a name to the workflow. Select the WhatsApp account from which you want to send the message. Then select the message template from the list. Finally, click on the Create Workflow button. BotSailor will provide a webhook callback URL. Copy the URL. Now, let's go to the WordPress admin dashboard. From there, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. From the Advanced tab, click on Webhooks. Click on Add Webhook. Give a name. Select the status as active. On the topic, select Order Created. On the delivery URL, paste the URL we have copied from the BotSailor. Finally, click on the Save Webhook button. Now, we need to provide sample data for mapping. Click on the Capture Webhook Response button. It has captured some data, but we need a completed order data for mapping. Just skip this data. Let's go to the WooCommerce store and make a purchase for sample data. Let's click on the Capture Webhook Response button again. It may take a little time, because WooCommerce takes some time to send data. Yes, we have the sample data. Now we have to configure the webhook response mapping. In the first field, it's the phone number. Let's find the phone number in the raw data. The phone number is under the billing. Search for the billing phone number on the phone number field and select it. WhatsApp doesn't send messages to number with a plus sign. Although, this number doesn't have the plus sign, but it may come with a plus sign. So, we will create a formatter to remove the plus sign from the phone number. Let's create a formatter. To create the formatter, click on the New button. Give a name for the formatter. Then select the action. In this case, we will select Trim Left. On the Trim field, put the plus sign, as we need to trim the plus sign from the phone number. Then, save the formatter. Now, select the formatter. Then there is the product list. The product list is line item. This is the name of the product in the sample data. In the drop-down list, we can see option for single item and list items. List items are array elements with multiple dimensions, and the single item has one variable. In products, there might be more than one product, so we will use list items for products. We will need a formatter for the products. Give a name for the formatter. In the action, select Concat List Items. In the glue, we will use a comma, because we will concat items with comma. Then select which position. In this case, it is name. Save the formatter. Then, select it from the list. Then there's the total cost. Select the total from the list. We can also use a formatter to add a currency sign with the price value. Let's add a data formatter. Give a name for the formatter. On the action, select concat left. On the concat field, select currency. Then there is an estimated delivery date. We'll use the date of purchase, and increase it by the number of days, to calculate the delivery date. For instance, if a delivery takes 7 days at your company, simply add 7 days to the date of purchase. So, let's select the date created. Then, create a formatter for it. Give a name for the formatter. On the action, select Day Add, and then put the number of days. Now, select the formatter. We can use delay in minutes to send a message. However, we are not using any delay in this instance. Also, we can use conditions for the message. Finally, click on the Save Workflow button. Yes, the webhook setup is complete. Now, let's check how it works with live data. We will make a purchase on the WooCommerce store. After we make the purchase, we should get a WhatsApp message. Let's go to BotSailor, and then click on the workflow report. As previously stated, the WooCommerce workflow takes some time to send data through Webhook. Let's check back in a while. Yes, the process for the last purchase has been completed. We should receive the WhatsApp message. Let's check on the WhatsApp account. Yes, the message has arrived. So, this is how we can use the BotSailor's Webhook workflow to send messages to WhatsApp on a WooCommerce purchase. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.